and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Opening and closing ceremony of IFFI at Kala Academy. Plans to construct a festival theatre at Miramar. Government to organize IFFI within 12 crore rupees. The Parivartan Assembly has a feel of its own. MLAs sang, recited dialogues, joke became satirical. A look at special moments from this week of Assembly. CID immigration arrest 5 persons for tampering passports. All were on their way to Sharjah. Second incident in the last 24 hours. Goa Cricket Association elections to go ahead as scheduled after North Goa District Court dismisses Shashikant Sardesai's plea to stay elections. And Goa Football Coaches Association will take care of football coaches, says President of newly formed association. Armando focuses on coaching education. And now the news in detail. Government has decided to hold the opening ceremony of IFFI at Dariya Sangam in Kala Academy and closing ceremony at the Dinanath Mangeshkar Kala Mandir. Government has proposed to construct dedicated festival theatre for IFFI. Plans are on for constructing the theatre at Miramar. Government has also decided to control the expenditure of this year's IFFI to 12 crores. First meeting of Governing Council of Entertainment Society of Goa was held on Friday night. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Vice President of ESG Vishnu Wagh and others were present for the meeting. Various issues were discussed during the meeting. Important decisions for this year's IFFI are opening ceremony at Kala Academy's Dariya Sangam, closing ceremony at Dinanath Mangeshkar Hall in Kala Academy, proposal for construction of festival theatre, government thinking to construct theatre at Miramar, control the expenditure for IFFI to 12 crore. Government is thinking of constructing the festival theatre for IFFI on the same place where government has proposed to construct an oceanarium. Government has asked for feasibility report in this connection to the concerned department. A senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar. मैं मरने से पहले मरना नहीं चाहता. ये आत्महत्या नहीं, आत्मज्ञान है. This was one of the dialogues that our MLAs recited in the Assembly. Now let's have a look at some light moments enjoyed at the Assembly during last week. Have a look at how MLAs turned actors in the guise of Superman late Dara Singh and superstar Rajesh Khanna.
प्रत्येक दारा सिंगाचे पिक्चर आमी पळोवपाक लागले कारण तेंची कुस्ती करपाची स्टायल आशिल्ली ती आमकां खंय तरी दिसतालें आमी ती आत्मसात करची म्हणून.
हमारा हीरो एक ही हुआ करता था और वो था दारा सिंह. कोई बच्चा जरूरत से ज्यादा शरारतें करने लगा तो हम तुरंत उसे पूछ लेते, अरे खुद को दारा सिंह समझता है क्या?
दोस्तों के बिना पार्टी नहीं, प्रेमिका के बिना लंबी सफर नहीं, ठाकुर के बिना गब्बर नहीं और राजेश खन्ना के बिना फिल्मी दुनिया में मजा नहीं.
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. अशें तो म्हणटालो. महबूबा सारख्या पिक्चरान आमी ताका पळयलें की मेरे नैना सावन भादो फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा. लो फिर तुम्हारी आंखों में पानी. मैंने तुमसे कितनी बार कहा है पुष्पा, मुझसे ये आंसू नहीं देखे जाते. आई हेट टीयर्स.
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर
कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। नो की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। नफरत की दुनिया को छोड़ के प्यार की दुनिया में खुश रहना मेरे यार, खुश रहना मेरे यार।
जिंदगी चंद लम्हों की बात होती है। कम वक्त हमें यह भी नहीं पता कि कल की शाम होने तक हम होंगे या नहीं, लेकिन जब तक रहेंगे राजेश खन्ना को उम्र भर याद करते रहेंगे, याद करते रहेंगे।
अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं, फिर कब मिलोगे जब तुम कहोगे, कहाँ जुमेरात को, हाँ कहाँ आधी रात को।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, Prudent Media.
Vasco police have arrested 6 persons for forging their passports while boarding a flight to Sharjah for employment. CID immigration officials at Daboli airport detained them after they found forged immigration check not required stamp on their passports. Police sources say that Chennai-based agent had made arrangements for the flight.
CID immigration officials at Daboli airport had detained the 6 persons while they had come for immigration check on Friday and Saturday. One person was arrested on Friday while other 5 were arrested on Saturday. Police sources say that they had forged immigration check not required stamp on their passports. Husband of one of the arrested women says that Chennai-based agent A.R. Sadiq Ali had made arrangement for the flight.
उसमें से हमारा एक बीवी एक है साहब।
क्या हो गया?
उसको मंगलोर वाले को हम एजेंट को जाकर मिला था। उसका मेडिकल चेकअप हो गया, सब आने के बाद पासपोर्ट आ गया और 15 महीने के बाद तुम गोवा जाओ, वो आदमी है मिलेगा वाला, वो आदमी मिला, उसका नाम सैयद क्या क्या है, वो मिला। मिलने के बाद उसको पासपोर्ट दे दिया। वो 8 दिन के बाद वो रेडी हो के टिकट निकाल लेगा, आओ जंगे बोल के बुला लेकर आया सब। बुला लेकर आके वो मैं बाहर है, मेरे बीवी अंदर रह गए, वो डुप्लीकेट बोल के पकड़ दिया सब।
अभी वापस क्या हो गया है, क्या नहीं है उसके पास?
सब पासपोर्ट की सब टिकट डुप्लीकेट बोल रहे सब।
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.